The natural world around us is understandable, and people have been questioning and finding things out for thousands of years.
So we were learning about the nature of science, and I wanted to kick off the year with them doing something authentic and hands-on.
Science is a social activity. What does that word, raise your hand, what does that word social mean?
One of the things that Ms. Murray talked about is she really wanted to give her students a more authentic experience so that they felt like scientists.
I'm waving the wand, and we are traveling to Montana.
They got to be paleontologists working in the fields in Montana.
So you need to dig out 4 bones.
So we got trays together, poured real sand into the trays, buried the bones. They had toothbrushes as their paleontologist tool where they had to carefully uncover the bones.
And by looking at those bones, make predictions. And as we went through the process and discovered more bones, they changed their prediction as they got more of the puzzle, which was awesome.
So we would pause each night and have campfire time where they would review what they had discovered that day. We even included a little s'more snack at one point.
We're making s'mores!
Oh. All right, our predictions are changing. So we're gonna go to bed and sleep on it. And tomorrow, we're gonna get up and go back out to our dig site and see if we can find some more.
Then when they were actually doing their dig, when we wake up the next morning and go out to the field, we had some Jurassic Park music playing that some of the kids recognized.
The tail, that's good. It's the wings. We have been
We simulated that you only found a certain number of bones on day 1, and then day 2, and then day 3. You would add more and more to create a bigger idea of what dinosaur you were uncovering.
Is it land? Is it flying? Or is it swimming?
And then on the 3rd night, the students actually got up and went around to the other dig sites and were able to check out some of the bones that maybe they had not uncovered.
Is it the same prediction or has it changed?
Which is part of what they need to understand, that science is social.
What is that?
And that you do have a lot of different scientists coming together and sharing those ideas and discoveries, which is what they got to do together as a class.
You are going to compare your bones of a dinosaur to creatures that are living today.
Then we packed up from camp, went back to the lab all together, and we pulled out resource manuals. And the students had to use those resource manuals to compare the type of skeletal structures that they had discovered with animals that are living today, and then use that to make their final prediction as to whether the dinosaur was walking on land, swimming in the water, or flying in the air.
So you think those belong to the wings?
Yeah.
Okay.
So middle school, they love hands-on stuff. It's highly engaging, and it also, I think, helps them learn the material better.
I think we almost have it.
Because it sticks with you more if it's something that you invested yourself in and you got to experience on your own. So I wanted to kind of bring that field in Montana into the room to make that more authentic so that they could make those connections to something they're actually doing and something that real scientists do out in the field all the time. And I think we accomplished that.